guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn about medical dosage calculations. I have five common problems that show on exams and school, and I'll show you how to calculate them or solve them, I mean. And also sorry for not being so active on YouTube lately. I've been really busy, but I'll try to commit myself and post like twice a week. I'll try. So, guys, the first question is, a certain drug is available in 20 milligrams per 5 ml. The doctor orders 50 milligrams. So, how many mLs will you have to administer? So, this is how to solve this question. So, what I like to do is separate the units in one side, the same units on one side, and the other units on the other side. So 20 milligrams, you write that in 5 mLs. So that's one of our units, and the other one is the doctor orders 50 milligrams. So 50 milligrams will go right below 20 milligrams. That's how you separate it. And the question is, how many mLs will you administer? So that's your X. That's the thing we're going to find out. So that's how I do it. That's my first step. The second step is that after I have separated and divided into units, I will do multiplication cross. So 20 multiplied by X, that's cross, and equals to 50 multiplied by 5 cross. So we're just gonna cross it. So 20 multiplied by X, which is what we want to find, equals 50 multiplied by 5. Now this is an equation right here. And if you are having problems solving equations, I have another video that I will link to this video that you can go follow and see how to solve equations. So what we do here is that we leave the X alone right here, or let me do step by step. So 20 multiplied by X equals to, so the first step is 50 multiplied by 5, which is 250. Now the X will stay alone, and the 250, the 20 will go to the other side for division. So 250 divided by 20. That's how you solve, and you find X, which happens to be 12.5 mLs. That's your answer. So remember, in all these questions, the first step that I do is divide it by units, like separate them, one unit on the other side, the other unit on the other side, cross multiply, solve the equation, and you have your answer. So that's the first question. Second question. Let's see. A client who weighs 60 kilograms is to be given a drug at 2 milligrams per kg. And the stock that we have is 40 milligrams in every 2 mLs. So how much volume of the drug will the patient be given? Volume means they're asking us how much mLs, so X mLs, right? So the first step here, there's two stuff to do because they're giving us a weight of the patient. So, and they're telling us that the drug comes for every kg, right? So first we need to find how much milligrams does this patient need. So because the patient weighs 60 kilograms, you're going to multiply 2 milligrams per kg, right? So you're going to do 2 milligrams multiplied by 60 kgs. Okay, that will be 120 milligrams. So 120 milligrams is the amount the patient needs. Now we need to find out how much mLs we're gonna give, right? So we need 120 milligrams, but the stock strength is coming 40 milligrams in every 2 mLs. So we're gonna do the same thing we did for question number 1. We're gonna separate every unit on one side and the other unit on the other side. So 40 milligrams and 2 mLs. Okay, and we have 120 milligrams, and we're trying to find out X amount of mLs. There we go. So we divided, we separated, now we're gonna cross multiply. So 40, I can write the units for you guys. Multiplied by X mLs is equal to 2 mLs multiplied by 120 milligrams. So we're gonna leave everything right now in this side while we solve the other side, which will be 240. I'm just gonna leave the units because they're gonna cancel each other out, and I don't know how to write it with the keyboard. But then X stays alone, and then 240 divided by 40 will be X. So that will be 6 mLs is your answer for this question. Okay guys, question number 3. This one is very easy. It's asking us like an IV pump. What is the rate of delivery? And they're telling you the unit, mLs per hour. So basically, they're telling us to run 350 mLs in 6.5 hours. So because they want to know the rate, which they're telling you there, the unit is ml per hour. So we just have to divide, right? We have our ml, so we have to do ml per hour. Yep. So we have to do 350 divided by 6.5 hours, so 6.5. Okay, that's it. You put that in the calculator. That will be 53.85 mLs per hour. It's the rate of your delivery. Very easy, straightforward, just divide mLs per hour. Question number 4. A patient is prescribed 1 liter of normal saline. The drip rate is at 150 mLs per hour. So how much time will it take for the fluid to be infused? So they're giving us amount of volume and they're telling us the rate. They're asking us how much time will it take for the whole bag to be finished and, delivered to the patient. Again, very easy. First step is to have the same units so we can divide them into sections, cross multiply, solve the equation. So the patient is prescribed 1 liter. Now liter and 150 mLs, they're not the same units, but we can convert it to the same unit because we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 mLs. Now we can use 1000 mLs to solve the question. So 150 mLs in 1 hour. That's our first unit, right? And the second one is that we have 1000 mLs. How much time is that going to take? X hours, right? So we cross multiply 150 multiplied by X equals 1000 multiplied by 1. So we do, 150 multiplied by X equals 1000. Then X stays alone. 1000 gets divided by 150. X equals, let me use a calculator. 1000 divided by 150 is 6.0 66 or 67 hours. So close to 7 hours, I would say, to be specific. 6 and a little bit more than 6.5 hours. Okay, so that's how you solve this question. And last problem of the day. So, okay. So there's an order for 75 milligrams of phenytoin is prescribed, and there's only tablets of 100 available. So how many tablets need to be given? Whenever you read this types of questions, you're like, oh, I'm getting confused. There's too many units. There's too much asking, right, of this question. But like I said, I already gave you a strategy, and hopefully you guys use it because it makes life so easy. So, in one tablet is 100 milligrams. That's your first set. And they're asking you, how much tablets do I need to give my patient if they need 75 milligrams? There we go, cross multiply. So 75 multiplied by 1 equals 100 multiplied by x. So that is 75 right there, 100 multiplied by x. And then 75 gets divided by 100, that will be your x. So x will be 0.75 equals x. So basically 0.75. Now you're going to say 0.75 tablets? What does that mean? So that basically is 3/4 of your tablets. If you try to simplify this, you'll get 3/4 of one tablet. There we go. That's how you solve this question. Alright guys, this is it for this video. Thank you for paying attention. I hope it really helped. Subscribe for more and like and comment. Thank you guys. Bye.